Hey everybody, I just found something pretty cool. I'm going to have to backtrack and bring you up to speed on some changes I've made, but let me show you why I've done and what I've incorporated. So let me go to the search page and let's look for a full keyword here, DevNet Sandbox Nexus 9K. And we're going to find this in every field because that's the PyECS alias, right? Well, what if I don't know that? What if I just what about DevNet? And I search for that. Well, I'm only going to find it in this new field, Learn Config, and DevNet is buried somewhere down right here, DevNet. Right, so let's try just dev and see, not DevNet. See, it still works, right? So the difference here, and let me bring up the magnifying glass, is that what I've done is changed to a new query type. So what you can see now is I'm looking for config, and then I'm going right into config and saying I contains the query. Now I contains is not like an equal. Every other hit you see on this page is a direct equals. And equals has to, you guessed it, equals. Versus contains just has to contain it. Now contains is also, let's call it case agnostic. It's not case sensitive, uppercase, lowercase. We can also do wildcards now, 10.10, just like we did dev, right? You get the idea. Or /16, go get me every /16. Pretty interesting stuff. I'm going to have to make another video about what I've done with configurations. But for now, this is a great place to start with the searches.